I received my room air purifier, which I've actually been waiting for. The first thing I noticed when unpacking it, how securely it was packed from the factory, guaranteeing that it would arrive in good condition. After unpacking it, I was pleasantly surprised at how beautifully designed it was and how nicely it would look in any room I chose to use it in. I set it up in my kitchen, and the first thing I noticed, but the control panel on top was the on and off button, which is conveniently placed in the middle and is a large